Hey guys, this is Hansaurus Rex, and today we'll be looking at some of the packages I just received. I recently made some orders on eBay and Amazon, so it's probably a mixture of Lego and Transformers and I can't remember what. So stay tuned. Alright, let's open package number one. Okay, what is this? Ooh la la. Okay. Sometimes I can't remember what I ordered, so okay. And the first item that will be unraveling is the chewing mask. I've been seeing all kinds of videos and all kinds of reviews on the Chewbacca mask, so just gotta have it. I'm as a Star Wars fan. This is actually quite cool. So it's like looking at some of the videos. Yeah. So pretty much you attach your mouth at the bottom of the jaw of Chewie, and can you hear that? Oh boy, this is so cool. And for the next package, one item and it's two items. Backdrop keeps falling. So let's open up the box first. Okay, so look inside. Ah, nice. This is excellent. I recently ordered this from on eBay. So what we have here is the Super Mini Pla Megazord, powering this Megazord from Bandai. Okay. Alright, so this is pretty much a full set of Zoids that they'll come together to form a 6-inch tall Megazord. Yep, so probably going to do an unboxing for this. Probably share with you as well why I proceeded to get this instead of the supersized Megazords they currently have on the market. Okay, so that's that, and sounds like Lego inside. If I remember correctly, this should be the Avengers Tower. Yep, it is the Avengers Tower. So I got this on eBay as well for a relatively cheap price, seeing how this is going for close to $100 on eBay. So I got this. This is a pre-owned set, so yeah, it's nicely packed. I have no issues getting Lego sets that are pre-owned. just as long as the reviews for the seller is really good, so it doesn't seem like a hassle for transaction. If the seller is well reviewed. Alright, moving on. And here we have the final package. Let's have a look inside. Alright, the items both are from Amazon. It has the Amazon packaging and stuff. Okay. So let's see what's inside. This probably would be, yes, okay. So as you all know, I have a 8-month-old, so let's just decide to get him something squishy for him to play with, or something for him to bite or squeeze. So, and this seems to be like an ideal toy for a baby, I hope. Probably wouldn't know how to use the remote control, but that's fine. No, I'll use it. He can chase it. Okay. Alright. And the last Amazon box. Yes. So this is another baby item that I got. Fisher Price rocker stack. So I was thinking it's about time that the baby start to learn how to stack some colors and donut shaped objects. It's kind of cheap on Amazon, so if you guys are like planning to get for your nieces or nephew or kid or your own kids, I think it costs about $6 USD. Alright, thank you very much guys for accompanying me with my unpackaging of the items I bought on Amazon and eBay. Thank you very much for watching. This is Hansaurus Rex again, signing off.